On today's body cam, we're checking out. She came to celebrate graduation, left in handcuffs.
Bro, what the f is his problem? I'm here for graduation.
I get it. Okay, relax. Listen, relax.
Officers responded to a fight at a university parking garage, but the situation quickly escalated once they arrived.
Stay right there. Don't move. Stay right there. Do not move. You understand me?
Yes, sir.
Have a seat. Have a seat.
I didn't have nothing to do with nothing. I promise you. I was just watching.
I'm going to figure it out. You sit on your butt. 22. We're going to be right outside of the Foxtrot garage. We have one party inside. We have another party on the bottom. Don't move. Don't move. Back up.
Don't talk to me like that. I'm a female. Don't talk to me like that.
I don't care. Back up.
I didn't even do anything. So don't talk to me like that. I'm here for graduation.
Don't talk to me like that. I'm a female. Oh boy.
I'm going to go get arrested. You go this way.
So I guess you talk to males differently than you talk to females. Okay.
What are you doing?
Stop.
Why are you touching me like that? What is wrong with you?
I told you to back.
I didn't even do anything. What are you doing?
We're coming. We're coming. You got him?
Slow everybody down.
Hey,
All right, we're 10-4.
Hey,
We're 10-4.
I promise you I don't got nothing to do with it.
You don't want to back up and
Just cut
listen
him
to
off
law
over there.
enforcement? This is what happens.
Could you relax? Because I didn't even do anything.
Yeah, I told you to back up and you didn't want to back up.
I'm here for a graduation. What are you doing?
Don't move.
And you're being mad aggressive for no reason. Get off of me. I'm not moving.
Is it just them two?
These two, there's two more over there by the left garage.
Okay, could you please let go?
No.
What is wrong with you? Get off of me.
Don't move.
I'm not moving, but can you get off of me?
No. Let me take your hood off so you don't sweat the bill.
I don't want y'all to think I'm doing that. I don't want to fight.
How many?
What is wrong with you? I don't even know who you are. Like,
I'm Officer Tirado. You see a police department.
can I fix myself? I'm falling. Get off of me.
No, stop moving.
Get off of me. I'm falling.
Stop moving.
I'm falling. Get off of me.
No.
I'm a female. Get the f off
I
of
don't
me.
care. Don't look at
What
me.
are you
Stay
doing?
there.
Get off of me. Tell him to get off of me. I'm not doing nothing. Get off of me, bro.
Relax. All right.
Tell him to get off of me.
He's off you, right?
Bro, what the f is his problem? I'm here for graduation.
I get it. Okay, relax.
Get up.
Listen, relax.
Get up.
Listen.
Get
not-
off of me. I'm
that's
not
not-
doing nothing. I'm
Okay,
standing
listen,
right here.
listen.
Get off of me. Get off of me. Get off of me, bro. Get the fuck off of me.
And this is exactly why they don't get off of you. Hey, attitude, man. Don't talk to me like that. I'm a female. Don't look at me. I'm a female. Listen, it's more to it than that. You know, to get respect, you give respect. You know what I mean? Like, yeah, people may talk to you differently, not just solely because you're a female, but it's about how you carry yourself. If you carry yourself, you know, a proper way, you know, then they'll treat you right, you know. But if you want to act like a hooligan, you're going to get treated like one.
I'm not doing nothing. Get off of me. Get off of me. Yeah, because y'all touching me crazy. I didn't even do anything.
All right,
Get off of me.
Relax.
Get off of me.
Relax.
Get off of me.
Relax.
So stop touching me. I'm
We're
not
not gonna
going
let go,
nowhere.
okay?
I'm right here. Get off of me.
Relax.
Fuck.
This isn't gonna make
this better.
The fuck is wrong with y'all? I'm just standing there being mad aggressive. You too, bitch. What's wrong with you?
All right.
Dumbass bitch.
All right, relax.
I ain't even do nothing.
Okay.
I ain't even do nothing. Let go with me, please. Let go with me.
Let's go.
Get
Let's go.
off of me. Stop touching me like that.
This way.
What is wrong
Walk
with
up.
you?
Have a seat.
Okay, what's wrong with you guys?
You're acting a fool and you don't
Because
want to
you're
listen to
holding me
directions.
crazy. I didn't even do anything.
Grab that first.
Give me my phone.
If you don't put your leg in,
Bro,
it's gonna
give me
hurt,
my
and I don't
phone.
want that
What
to
are you
hurt.
guys doing? I'm not doing anything. I'm here for a graduation.
everyone's detained at the moment.
What is wrong with
Until we
y'all?
figure
What
out
is
what's
wrong with
going
y'all? Okay, but I'm not doing anything.
We can't figure that out if you keep
I'm
screaming.
not doing anything.
But you are screaming.
I'm not okay because he's. Do you not understand?
Am I
This man
treating
just
you
put
wrong?
his hands on me and he didn't even. Bruh.
Ma'am, what's your name?
My name is Desire.
Okay, Desire.
Desire. I'm not. Can you just let go of me? I'm not gonna move. I promise. I'm not gonna move.
Desire. Who are you here to see graduate?
My friend, his name is Jexiel. The Winter Springs graduation. I came here to see her graduate.
On one of the
I'm listening.
top levels, so I'm gonna
So you're here
stand by
to
the
see
front.
somebody graduate, yeah?
Yes.
Okay, who
And I
are
wait
these
till
people
television
to
more.
you?
My friend from school.
Walk down
No,
the front with
not
the
who
vehicle.
you're here to see. I'm talking about these men.
My brother.
Which one?
She's fine. She's fine. Bro, he put his hands on me for no reason. The cop. being mad aggressive for no reason.
Josiah.
Like, bro.
Okay, Josiah. Listen, I got it.
Damn, y'all too close, man. Back the heck up, man. Back up.
But you see, she's good.
It's not fair. He put his hands on both of us.
No. Wait, right now we need you to calm down.
You're not listening to him.
No, we get it.
No, listen, right now.
Okay, listen.
Do you know him?
Listen.
Is that your friend or something? Like,
What's happening?
bro, these girls came. Okay, I'm gonna tell you what happened. We're in the garage. We're about to get out so we can obviously go see the graduation because my friend is waiting for me. And, bro, some girl came over here and started fighting us. Like, that's it. That's what happened.
What does she look like?
She's dark skinned and she had a white shirt, some jeans. I
So
don't know.
she's a black girl, dark skin, a white shirt,
Yep.
and jeans on.
Yep.
You don't know her.
No, I don't know her.
Do you go to Winter Springs? Or
I used to go to Winter Springs, but I'm here for a graduation because my friend is here.
do you know the girl?
No, I don't know the girl.
Did she hit you?
No.
Are you injured at all?
No. I
Okay.
have nothing to do with it.
I understand that, but we don't know that if we don't ask you, right? Okay, so.
Okay, I'm only mad, but I promise you, I'm only mad. Yes, I'm only mad
Okay, you're
because
mad?
this put his hands on me. I don't know.
Hey, we're not calling people names. I get it. The officer put his hands on you.
Yes, but I don't even deserve to be handcuffed. I
Listen.
don't.
You do because the officer asked you to back up and you didn't. So.
The same way they came on, they can come off. But you hollering and screaming ain't helping. Okay.
You're a female. You wouldn't like a man to aggressively grab you, and I'm trying to fix myself, and he's holding me tighter. Like, what is wrong with him? Like, bro, I don't like that shit. I don't like that
I
shit.
understand that. And guess what? If you feel that way, you can make a complaint against the officers. That's perfectly
All I
fine.
said, I went up to him and all I
I'm
said,
talking to you. Listen.
I'm listening.
You're still talking.
Because he didn't have no
Because you're
reason to
mad.
do that.
Because you're
He had
mad.
no reason
Get it
to
off
do
your
that.
chest so we can get
But I really went up to him.
We want to get more information, but you still stuck on this. Listen to what I'm trying to tell you. Okay? All right. So the girl, she came out of a car. She was with other people. What
I don't even
happened?
know. We just heard, yo. That's all we heard. And she
Okay,
come.
did this happen in the garage or over here?
Right there.
Right here, as you're coming out the garage?
Mike, Charlie,
Okay.
Kilo,
Park in the
India,
garage?
Tango,
Yeah, we did.
Romeo,
Who did you
India,
ride with?
Charlie, Kilo.
Him right there.
Which one? Just one?
My boyfriend right there.
Safety staff, Adam
The tall one or the one
did
sitting
not
down?
observe any of the argument, just everyone
The one
leaving
sitting down is your
past
brother?
East Plaza
Okay.
going
What's your boyfriend's
southbound.
name?
Genius.
Okay, did the black girl hit anybody? Because you said she started fighting us. Fighting you
Just
how?
them two. Just them two, and then the one in the blue was just trying to separate it. He didn't do nothing either. He's right there. One of the guys is right there.
That guy? If he knows what happened, who was he with?
Because he acting like he don't know.
Okay, but he was with y'all or he was with somebody else?
He was with the girl.
He was with the girl.
He didn't do nothing either. It was just a girl. It was just a girl.
Okay. But the guy who walked by, he knows the girl?
1:30, 2010.
Can you say sorry,
No, I'm not doing that.
please?
No. I don't operate on your feelings. You understand me? Okay, so
Well, you
here's
had
the
no
deal.
reason to do that.
I'm gonna talk and you're gonna listen.
I'm sorry for yelling at you, okay?
I'm gonna talk,
I'm sorry
you're
for
gonna
yelling at
listen.
you.
I'm going
Okay,
to talk.
Can you be polite?
You're going to
Can you be
listen.
polite?
I'm being stern. Do not get in your
polite.
feelings about it. I'm being stern with you.
You had no reason to
understand?
grab me like
so
that.
here's the thing. In the state of Florida, right, if an officer tells you to back up, you don't get in their face, you give them 25 feet of space. You understand me? Per Florida state statute, I need 25 feet of space, okay? You got in my face, you're pointing your finger in my face, okay? I told you to get back. Did that sound cool? It didn't. I bet it sounded real ugly, and you didn't like it when I said that. But understand my job, okay? Hey, look at me when I'm talking to you. You understand what I'm telling you?
Yes.
Okay? What you did was...
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. See, sometimes you gotta be stern with her, man. You gotta be. She listen though. Look at me when I'm talking to you. She, yeah, all that chihuahua barking. Yeah, when a man talking, she got in line, boy. Nah, in all seriousness though, you know, it is what it is, you know. She, you know, oh man, she look at me when I'm talking to you, man. She Yes. Yes. Yeah. Yeah. You know. Yeah. I mean, like I said, in all reality, this is why I like Florida, man. With that whole 25 feet joint that they added, man, yo, we need that everywhere, man. Everywhere. Because it has become a problem. It has really became a problem. People crowding the officers when they're trying to conduct their investigation and doing this and doing that or whatever, and everyone just crowding and filming and all that stuff. And you can film, there's nothing wrong with that, right? No expectation of privacy in public, right? But just like everyone's up in roar, and I'm gonna go on a little rant right now. Everybody's up in roar about these meta glasses, right? We're seeing the content all over social media where the guys, they going up to the girls and trying to talk to them or whatever. And girls are actually getting mad about, them being filmed or whatever. Oh, you need my permission to film or whatever. No expectation of privacy in public, man. If you don't want to be filmed, stay home. You know what I mean? Because you're being filmed everywhere. Traffic lights got cameras. Everywhere got cameras. You go inside buildings, they got cameras or whatever. Yeah, it is what it is, you know. So you got guys out there that's making content, and I understand for, a little bit, it's like, all right, they think you're trying to come up just to want to holler or whatever, but you're actually just gonna post it online to see whatever, and that could get caught up because you got people that might have significant others but may entertain people as well. They getting caught out there. It's a whole thing with this online with these glasses with the cameras in them and stuff like that, man. But but like I said, it was as simple as this. Back up. She didn't want to back up. She kept standing there and being close. It is what it is. You could get locked up for it. So, but yeah, I like this part right here, boy. I
told you to get back. Did that sound cool? It didn't. I bet it sounded real ugly, and you didn't like it when I said that. But understand my job, okay? Hey, look at me when I'm talking to you. You understand what I'm telling you?
Yes.
Okay. What you did was you didn't give me space. This being uniform gives me the authority to give you verbal commands and directions to back up.
Thank you. Lean up against right here. Lean up against right here. You're just being detained, man. Not being arrested. I'll explain to you as soon as I put handcuffs on you. Stay on the car.
What am I being detained for? You just wait. Bro, I don't got nothing in my pocket.
Stay on the car.
What car?
Stay on the wall.
Dumbass white girl.
So we have. I got you, man. I'm explaining. I'm not putting you in the car, man. I'm just detaining you right now. So right now we have an alleged aggravated battery with a firearm, right? So everyone's being detained that was involved in this altercation.
Yes, ma'am.
Perfect. Are these two tied? They're currently double locked. Do me a favor. We're gonna have them sit down, okay?
Why I gotta sit down?
They're asking you to.
It's brand new jeans.
Brand new jeans, and we can sit right
Is that what you're concerned about right now?
Yeah.
So what exactly did you hear, see? Just take me through from the beginning to the end, so when we got here.
When I was over on the street over there on the side talking to my guard over the back of the parking lot, I was walking this way and I heard these guys really yelling at each other.
Okay.
I did not see physical.
Okay.
But I heard a lot and I said, "What are you guys doing?" And they were still arguing, so I got on the radio and called my command.
Perfect. Who did you see arguing? Can you describe any of them?
I can't.
You can't?
These guys walked out, and you guys, I talked to my officers up here, and they said, you guys walked by two folks that were walking down that way, on that side of the sidewalk where Burger U was. They were part of it too. They were walking that way.
So the other people also saw the argument happen?
No, they were part of the argument.
They were part of the argument.
And they walked away.
We got no description. We only got that there was a fight in the alley, and the people that are detained right now were the ones that we saw in the alley.
Right.
The only ones I saw, the guy in blue, he just looked at me. He was like, I didn't do it. I didn't do anything.
Did you see the guy in blue that he's alleging that he was arguing or fighting with them?
I did not. Did you see him?
Yes,
Adam?
I did.
Did you see them arguing?
No, I did not.
Did you see anything physical?
Negative.
I didn't see anything physically in them.
Got it.
I'm not fibbing on them. I'm not.
Hi, sir. Are you involved with any of these people?
No, I forgot my ticket.
Got you. All right, do me a favor. Can you go around this area? Thank you. All right, guys. If I need you any further,
I'm here.
Perfect. Do you want anyone that was involved in this incident to still enter the graduation?
I don't have an issue with it.
Huh?
I don't have an issue with it.
You don't have an issue with the mentoring?
No, ma'am.
Okay, cool.
No.
I will figure out something. Thank you.
What's up?
We're leaving you in handcuffs, but I'm just gonna search you, make sure you don't have anything. Do you have anything in your hair? Anything like that? Turn towards me. Open your mouth. Head up. Alright. We're gonna turn the car on so you can escape.
Medical said she has a big swollen bump on the back of her head from getting hit.
So pretty much, I think nobody's going to get in trouble besides this girl that's in the handcuffs because of the Halo law thing. Because everybody else, the security guards didn't really see nothing, you know, and they don't have a problem with, you know, they don't want to trespass him or anything like that. They can go and enjoy the graduation. So, I mean, I really don't see anything here besides this girl. That's about it, man.
Why you walk by 3-4 times if you knew you was involved? Because you was walking by.
Listen, I came down.
And you was walking this way doing all like this.
No, I came down.
That's the guy that said that he with his ticket. He's an idiot, man. You supposed to get missing, boy. What's up with you, man? This the same guy who said, no, I just forgot my ticket. And she told him to walk around. What a dumbass. You supposed to get missing, man. You already dodged the bullet. You know what I'm saying? You, boom, gone.
Went down there, said, oh shit, the tickets. Came down, I was coming this way. She said, go around. So I went around and I came back down this way. I didn't know where I was after I came off the elevator. So I just came out this way.
Damien, stand up.
Where am I going, to jail?
Stand up. You gotta stand up real quick. We're gonna help you, sir. We're gonna help you out. Go ahead and turn around right here real quick.
You got anything on you?
You good. Spread your legs real quick. Spread your legs real quick.
You have anything on you? Why are you being so extra though?
Hey,
are you the sergeant or something?
let me tell you something. Have a seat.
Just listen.
Have a seat. You good.
I'm standing up.
No, have a seat. Have a seat.
What, you gonna toss me to the floor?
Dude, have a seat.
Chaz, good. That badge is off.
You good.
You know it's up.
Have a seat. There was reported 2 guys, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So I researched the bushes down that way, couldn't find anything. Sergeant Crane told me that they came from the other side of the garage, which I still haven't checked. Now, when he was trying to be assisted to sit down, maybe because his pants were sagging, but he was kind of like squirming, moving a little bit. So that's where we stood him up to pat him down, right? Because there's still an alleged second gun, right? Okay. I don't know where the witness is or what she said.
She's up front. She's up front with Missy. Yeah, she's getting checked out by FD.
Okay. And she definitely want press charges?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, we about to go. They're wrapping stuff on that side. As far as me and you concerned, right, based on the totality of the circumstances and exactly what's going on with other separate charges involving a weapon and pointing at a weapon at another person and physical violence, right, I'm taking you into jail. You are now arrested, okay, for resisting without. All right?
She was charged with resisting without violence.
Hit the subscribe, let the 808 slide.